Hello everyone, myself Kumar Sanu, and today I am going to show you a project which I have done in the final year project of the electrical engineering department, and then the name of the project is Solar Highway Lighting System with Auto Turn Off in Daytime. So here we go, please follow me. So this is the complete setup of Solar Highway Lighting System with Auto Turn Off in Daytime. Here we have a solar panel and here we have a battery. This is the PCB circuit, and these are the LEDs. This is the microcontroller, and this one is the LDR. These are the switches. These are the resistance and inductance capacitance, you can see. These are the variable preset. These are the presets of 5K and this is the preset of 33K. These are the capacitors. It is the resistance. Alright, now this is the entire setup of solar highway lighting system with auto turn off in daytime. Here we have a solar panel and we have also a battery which is getting charged during the daytime by this charge controller section. This is a controller, 8051 microcontroller. This is a controller which controls the timing function. Here we have a microcontroller to which the LDR, this is the LDR, to which the LDR is interfaced, and based on the intensity of light falling on this LDR, the intensity of a street lights or the LED lights will be changing. This is to save the precious energy which is stored in the battery during the daytime. This charge controller section has got four different protection. That is the overcharge protection, under battery protection, overload protection, and deep discharge protection. Now coming to the working function of this entire setup. During the daytime, light falls on this LDR. And so the LED is not glowing or the LED is switched off. But at night, when the light falling on this LDR is blocked away, then this LED will glow. First of all, we'll put on this switch. By putting on this switch, these two LEDs glow. Again, we have to put on this switch, which is put on. Now, when we are blocking this LDR via blocking arrangement, then these LEDs will glow. See, here we have blocked this LDR, so all the LEDs has glown. Now when we are removing the blocking arrangement, the intensity of the LED will slightly decrease, and when the blocking arrangement is completely removed, the intensity becomes 0. Again, when we are putting this blocking arrangement, then the LEDs will glow to its full intensity. This is the final working of solar highway lighting system with auto turn off in daytime. Thank you.